Welcome to Extreme Vision Reviews. I'm Ron Nice. Today I went out looking around all these Walmarts. I wanted to find another one of the Propel X01 micro drones. And because I bought one for my son, it was only $10 on clearance. So I figured I know they had one left. So I went up there to see if I could grab it, and of course it was already gone. Well, I figured I was going to go around and check some more Walmarts out. Went through all of them. Athens, all the way through Madison, nobody had them. I even stopped at Target. Target has a few neat little drones, but the same ones that they carry that Walmart carries are more expensive at Target. So be cautious with that. But they do have like a Sky Viper Nano drone, which is kind of cool. It's like $25. So anyways, I finally get to Huntsville on 72, and check that Walmart out. What? I found one! And it's red. I couldn't believe it. The last one I could find was red, and that's my favorite color. So I found another one. The only problem was it wasn't on a clearance. I had to pay full price for it. And really, they're only $19.88. Okay? These things are worth the money, especially just the free replacement parts for a year make it worth $20. The drone itself on their website is $20 by itself. The controller is $10. The charger cable's $10. So that's $40 right there that you spend buying everything separate. So for $20, you ain't gonna beat it. And it's definitely durable. My son's proof of that. 2 years old, and he slammed it every which way. Now, granted, the propellers really break easy, but that's free replacements for a year. It does come with quite a few extra blades. When I get to the house, I'm going to do an unboxing on it and get everybody to see. Since I didn't get to do that with the one I bought him, I'm going to do this one and show you what it can do. And plus, I'm going to take some propellers out to fix his, since we don't have any more. But anyways, and to top it all off, since I got the last drone, I got the display box. Which, is one of them nitpicky things, but it's worth it. It's pretty cool. But anyways, just figured I'd give y'all an update on X01 micro drone search. Found one. I don't know if any of the other stores in Walmart has them, but any of the other stores in the Huntsville area or Decatur or anything like that, I'm not sure. I just know Madison don't have them, Athens don't have them, and it took the last store I went to in Huntsville on 72 is the one that had it. So go around and check it out. If you're looking for a micro drone or a beginner drone to start out with, I do highly recommend this. This is probably one of the better ones for a beginner. Me personally, I didn't care for micro drones till I bought that other one, and now I love them. I wish I could get more of these things. So go check them out. You can find them, check it out, see if they got them on clearance for $10. They don't, $20, it ain't bad. Well, y'all have a good day, and I'll be sure to get the review up. Goodbye for now.